Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Agrawal and I welcome you all on my channel Knowledge Sutra. Today we will talk about 8 types of waste in manufacturing. But before we start, I request you all to like my videos and subscribe my channel. There are 8 types of waste in manufacturing given by short form TIMWOODS, where T is transportation, I is inventory, M is motion, W is waiting, O is overprocessing, second O is overproduction, D is defects, and S is skills. Today we will discuss about each one of them in brief. The first defect is denoted by T, means transportation. Transportation is any non-value adding transfer of anything, including human and materials. Transportation is unnecessary movement of product and material. For example, sending unsold product from store back to warehouse. The second type of waste is I, inventory. Inventory is excess keeping of anything, including raw material and product. It includes excess product and materials not being processed. For example, we are keeping yearly consumption stock of blank pages near the photocopy machine, which we do not require at the moment or which we require in a limited quantity at the moment. The third waste is denoted by M in TIMWOODS and is motion. Motion is any non-value adding movement of people or machine, or we can say that it is unnecessary movement by people, example walking, or worker searching for missing tool, or printer and other equipments are not conveniently located in the office, raises the problem of or waste of motion. The fourth waste in 8 type of waste is denoted by W in TIMWOODS and it is waiting. Waiting is delay in doing value adding activity, or we can say that it is the time wasted waiting for next step in the process. For example, production team is waiting for quality approval to start the production. The fifth type of waste is denoted by O in TIMWOODS and it is overproduction. It is the production more than demand at the moment, or it is the production that is more than needed or before it is needed. For example, we produce in big batches to minimize the production cost. But we need to understand that overproduction is the biggest and mother of all other wastes, because if you produce more, you have a bigger inventory, you have to transport more, and there will be more motion. So, overproduction is the mother of all other wastes. The sixth waste in 8 types of waste in manufacturing is denoted by second O in TIMWOODS and is overprocessing. Overprocessing is excess value addition for which customer do not want to pay or is not ready to pay. It is unnecessary processing or activities in the process that do not add value. For example, if we are trying to join two pieces of metal and we are doing seam welding when spot welding is suffice. The seventh waste in manufacturing is denoted by D in TIMWOODS and is defects. Defects is waste of value due to rejection, rework or incomplete information, or we can say it is wastage of efforts caused by rework, scrap and incorrect information. For example, manufactured item that does not meet the customer specification are waste and are the part of defects. The eighth type of waste is denoted by S in TIMWOODS and is of skills. Skills is where the organization is unable to harness the talent of its team or not using people's talent, skill and knowledge to their full. For example, when we put the people on repetitive jobs or we don't involve people in the process of improvement. then we are doing the 8th type of waste, which is skills. This is all about 8 types of waste in manufacturing, denoted by short form TIMWOODS. For additional information on lean manufacturing or to speak with a specialist about options for improving your process and cost optimization, you can comment below or email us at knowledgesutrabygaurav@gmail.com. If you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up. To get alert about when we post new video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on next Friday on Knowledge Sutra.